show you the Magic Wand garage door. But first let me tell you what is it. It's a garage door that on the inside is a wand, but it opens like a garage door. Let me show you. My name is Luis Urbieta. I'm the inventor and designer of the Magic Wand garage door. As you can see, this is a beautiful room. I use it for dancing, for working on art, working on my inventions, whatever hobbies or a lot of uses. But the advantage of it that you can open the door for ventilation, cleaning, and whatever. And if you have an article or something, a bicycle, something you want to work on it and bring it in the garage, there is no problem because the door is not disabled. The door consists of a special panel that overlap and hang behind and on top of a drop ceiling.